Welcome back to another Outdoor Family Travel Review. This is the Riviera, room 544. So, right in the door we have a little place here for keys. That is a room, if you have a double room. It's a nice big closet in here. Off this way is the bathroom. We've got a nice shower in here with a toilet. It has a rain shower head here, as well as the kind that pull off. And bench seating there. And then there is the Disney shampoo, etc. Okay, so there's that. From there we have an entrance into the sink there's also a tub with a shower. There is the tub shower combo that does come off for bathing children. Here we have a little kitchen area, sink, all of the dishes and things we'd need, microwave, and a small fridge. There's that. And underneath the sink, there we are. And then in here is the bedroom area. So here's one bed that always stays down. The nice thing about these newer resorts is they have a place for luggage underneath there. And we've got here side tables, and there are plugs here with the USB plugs. And then in here we have the Murphy bed that pulls down behind here. Here we are pulling down the Murphy bed. It's not difficult. I could do it with one hand. And there is that bed there. And then another bed that pulls down here underneath the television. And that one is a one person. It looks just like that.